What's up everyone, Jeremiah here. Over the weekend I crashed my Spark drone, and stay tuned till the end because I showed tips on what I did wrong and something you guys may not know about the return home. If you like this video, please smash that subscribe button and check out some of my other ones. Thanks for watching. It went into return home mode and I crashed it. I hope the gimbal's alright. It started returning home and hitting these tree branches. Even though I had it set to return home at current altitude, it started going up, hitting the branches the first time it corrected itself, and I hit the stop button and then it crashed. Whew, so far the camera looks okay. I'm hoping it is. So now I'm going to tell you guys what happened. It was partially my fault, I admit it. I was flying back, the sun was in my eyes, it was hard to see. As I was coming back here, I kind of lost sight of it for a second, so I stopped. I started to come back. I was getting ready to bring it back to land it, and right here the battery level was low, and it went into return home mode. I did have it set for return at current altitude, but for some reason it took off and went directly straight up. And the reason I think it happened was because my current altitude was lower than my takeoff point. So I'm going to have to look more into that. Now I'm going to play it one more time, and what I want you guys to watch is that when it goes into return home mode, the 10 seconds is from when it starts talking, not from the end. So as I was trying to guide it away from the tree branch, I thought I had a few more seconds to cancel it, but in reality I only had a few split seconds to initiate the cancel.
There it is.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Oh.
Go home.
Shit. Cancel. Stop. I gotta go get that.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos and smash that subscribe button.